I'm holding the Luzon medium, and Matt here is holding the Luzon large. This is a 4-inch blade, and this is a 6-inch blade. Both of these knives have 8CR13 MOV blade steels.
Something to take note of, the Luzon is Filipino influenced. Obviously there is an island in the Philippines named Luzon, hence the Luzon folder. It has a bamboo style plastic handle. It has a liner lock and an extra safety, so when the knife is engaged, you feel extra safe. Got to keep those fingers safe. The 6-inch model is MSRP at $64.99, and it is a heck of a knife for that price. Just look at the size of that thing. Also to be noted about the handle is the plastic pocket clip. This is plastic, so it will not eat your pockets up and chew up, your Levi's, your favorite Levi's, because we hear plenty about that.
Yeah, it's also really good, you guys, for if you work on cars or you work around anything sensitive that you don't want to scratch by accident. It's much less abrasive than a metal pocket clip.
And we do have replacements for them if you ever have a problem with them. So,
guys, this thing is tons of fun. It has a pocket catch. It also has a flipper.
And it's extremely addicting.
Yeah, it's so crisp. When you flip it, you can just feel that lockup. It's really tight and really solid.
And it's smooth.
Yeah.
When we got these in, all we did was play with them all the time and flip them all day. They're extremely addicting. So if you want to have some flipping fun, check out the Luzon.
This is OsoGrandeKnives TV, where you can watch, decide, and equip. When the situation demands a knife, OsoGrandeKnives.com is your quality connection. We've got unbeatable low prices on thousands of knives and super fast shipping, all with world-class customer service. Thanks for your support.